Looking for heart-pumping action and thrilling insights on how police stop dangerous cars? Get ready to buckle up and hold on tight as we dive into 11 of the most adrenaline-fueled, expertly executed techniques used by law enforcement to bring high-speed chases to a screeching halt. From the edge-of-your-seat drama of pit maneuvers to the precision and timing of spike strips, this video will have you on the edge of your seat and give you a new appreciation for the bravery and skill of our dedicated police force. 1. Spike strips. Spike strips are one of the most commonly used tools by law enforcement to stop dangerous vehicles. These devices consist of long strips of metal with sharp, hollow spikes that can puncture the tires of a fleeing car. When a police officer deploys a spike strip, they typically lay it across the road ahead of the fleeing vehicle. As the car drives over the strip, the spikes penetrate the tires, causing them to gradually deflate and lose traction. The vehicle will eventually come to a stop due to the lack of control and the inability to continue driving. Spike strips are highly effective at stopping high-speed pursuits while minimizing the risk of harm to officers and bystanders, making them an essential tool in the police arsenal for public safety. 2. Mobile roadblocks. Mobile roadblocks are a valuable tool for police when attempting to stop dangerous cars. These roadblocks consist of police vehicles positioned in a way that restricts the movement of the fleeing car. The police officers can then safely approach the vehicle and apprehend the driver. Mobile roadblocks can be set up quickly and are particularly effective in urban environments where there are many potential escape routes. This technique requires skilled coordination and communication among the police officers involved, and it can be risky for the officers and the public. However, when executed correctly, mobile roadblocks can be an effective means of stopping dangerous vehicles and bringing fleeing criminals to justice. 3. Pitagon F-18. The Pitagon F-18 is a specialized device that police can use to stop dangerous cars. It is a portable, wireless remote control system that can be attached to the underside of a police vehicle. When activated, the device releases a series of metal spikes that penetrate the tires of the fleeing vehicle, causing it to gradually lose control and come to a stop. The Pitagon F-18 is a highly effective tool for law enforcement agencies as it can be used without endangering officers or the public. Its small size and easy deployment make it ideal for use in urban environments or high-speed chases. Overall, the Pitagon F-18 is a valuable addition to the arsenal of tools that police use to keep our communities safe. 4. Stinger devices. Stinger devices are a popular tool used by law enforcement to stop dangerous cars in their tracks. These devices consist of a long, hollow tube filled with sharp, pointed spikes that are spread out in a line across the road. When deployed, the stinger is placed in the path of the fleeing vehicle, causing the spikes to puncture the tires and deflate them rapidly. This causes the vehicle to lose control, making it easier for police to apprehend the driver and bring the vehicle to a stop. The use of stinger devices is considered a safe and effective way to stop dangerous vehicles without the need for high-speed chases or physical altercations with the driver. 5. Global Grab 400. Global Grab 400 is a cutting-edge technology used by law enforcement agencies to safely and effectively stop dangerous vehicles. This device works by firing a specially designed net that wraps around the wheels of the fleeing vehicle, causing it to slow down and eventually come to a stop. The net is made of durable materials that can withstand high-speed impacts and can be easily deployed from a police vehicle or helicopter. The Global Grab 400 is particularly useful in situations where spike strips or pit manoeuvres cannot be safely used, such as on wet or icy roads. With its advanced technology and ease of use, it's no wonder that the Global Grab 400 has become an essential tool for police departments around the world in their efforts to stop dangerous cars and protect public safety. 6. Thorn barriers. Thorn barriers, also known as spike barriers, are a commonly used tool by law enforcement to stop dangerous cars. These devices consist of rows of steel spikes that can be quickly deployed across a road or highway to puncture the tires in a fleeing vehicle. As the car attempts to continue its escape, the tires gradually deflate, causing the driver to lose control and come to a stop. Thorn barriers are an effective method of stopping dangerous cars because they can be deployed quickly and with minimal manpower, making them a popular choice for police departments around the world. However, the use of thorn barriers does carry some risks, as the punctured tires may cause the car to swerve and potentially cause a collision. As such, they are typically only used in situations where the risk of harm to the public is deemed less severe than the risk of allowing the vehicle to continue fleeing. 7. Crew hook. A hook is a tool used by police to stop dangerous cars. It is a metal rod with a hook at the end, which is attached to the front bumper of a police vehicle. When the hook is deployed, the police vehicle pulls alongside the fleeing car and hooks the hook onto the rear bumper of the vehicle. The police officer then activates a brake system, causing the fleeing car to spin out of control and come to a stop. While the use of the cookbook can be risky, as it involves physically attaching the police vehicle to the fleeing car, it can be an effective technique for stopping dangerous drivers who pose a threat to public safety. 8. Barnacle. The barnacle is a relatively new technology that police departments in some parts of the world have begun using to immobilize dangerous cars. Essentially, it is a large, hard plastic device that can be attached to the windshield of a vehicle with powerful suction cups. Once attached, the barnacle obscures the driver's view and prevents them from operating the vehicle. The device is equipped with a GPS tracker, and police can remotely unlock it once the vehicle has been safely brought to a stop. While the barnacle is not a physical barrier, it provides a safe and effective way for police to stop fleeing vehicles without engaging in high-speed pursuits or potentially endangering bystanders. The device has been successful in several high-profile cases and is becoming increasingly popular among law enforcement agencies around the world. 9. Water cannons. Water cannons are powerful tools that are used by law enforcement agencies, including the police, to control crowds and disperse rioters. However, in certain circumstances, they may also be used to stop dangerous cars that pose a threat to public safety. When a vehicle is identified as a danger to public safety, the police may deploy water cannons to force it to stop. These cannons are typically mounted on specialized vehicles and use a high-pressure water jet to direct a powerful stream of water at the target. 10. Battering rams. Battering rams are a valuable tool that police use to stop dangerous cars. These heavy-duty vehicles are equipped with a reinforced front end and a powerful engine, making them capable of breaking through barriers or obstacles. When deployed, the battering ram can be used to forcibly stop a fleeing vehicle, disabling its tires or engine and bringing it to a halt. This technique is especially useful when pursuing vehicles attempting to enter restricted areas or barricaded locations. 11. Robot vehicles. In recent years, some police departments have started to deploy robotic vehicles to intercept and stop dangerous cars. These robot vehicles are equipped with advanced technologies such as cameras, sensors, and GPS trackers, enabling them to navigate busy roads and coordinate with officers on the ground. Using remote control, officers can guide the robot vehicle to intercept the fleeing car, disabling it by blocking its path or using a specialized mechanism to bring it to a halt. The use of robot vehicles in police operations reduces the risk of human casualties, as officers can operate them from a safe distance and can help bring high-speed chases to a quick and safe end. While the deployment of robot vehicles in police operations is still limited, it represents an exciting new development in law enforcement technology. As you can see, law enforcement has come a long way in terms of innovative and effective ways to stop dangerous cars. From high-tech gadgets to clever manoeuvres, police officers have an impressive arsenal of tools at their disposal to keep the public safe from reckless drivers. But perhaps the most important takeaway from this video is the reminder that we all have a role to play in promoting safe driving practices on the roads. So the next time you hit the pavement, remember to drive responsibly and do your part to keep our streets safe for everyone. If you found that video informative, kindly subscribe to our channel so you won't miss out on our videos.